How you doing? It's Jill Drums here, or Cameron, and I'm proud to announce that I'm an official endorsee of Collision Drumsticks. Look at them. Look at them bad boys. I've got the 5As here, and I'm going to play a little cover for you with them by Tower of Power called What Is Hip. But first, I'm going to talk a little bit about my background in drums and the bands I'm in and why I've joined the team, why I love these sticks, why I think they're great and I recommend them. So yeah, I'll start off by saying I've played the drums for about 8 years now, since I was 12, and I was like in school doing rock stuff, then moving on to like funk and other genres, and now I'm like kind of focusing on reggae, which is cool. And I'm playing with this band called Jukebox now, and we kind of play all that stuff. It's like, you know, 1 minute we're playing a song that's rock, blues, and funk, you know, it's all like a big mix, you know, up to jazz and stuff. I know, it's great. But then I'm also playing with this guy, singer-songwriter, Cameron Ferguson, who's playing like alt rock stuff, and he's great, and he's just released a tune called Roses, so you should give that a wee listen if you've got a wee 5 minutes. But to talk about why I love these sticks though, again, just give it a wee close up. To talk about why I love these sticks, you know, I'm playing the heavier stuff with Cameron, and they're not too light that I can't get that strong backbeat, and I can, you know, mash the cymbals up when I need to. But then I can switch to playing with Jukebox, where there is more intricate patterns, more, you know, detailed accent patterns. I'm trying to get more subtleties at the drums, and you know, these sticks work perfectly for that as well, and they're not too heavy that I can't get that light touch, that light feel. I can switch between genres, and I honestly think that's the perfect stick for me, and they feel great in the hands. And you know, this is gonna sound cringy, but the whole reason we do this is to make music, and I feel so comfortable making music with these. So that's why I've signed up, and they've got me. They've got me there. But yeah, I'm gonna play the cover now. Like I said, I'm gonna play What Is Hip by Tower of Power.